Hello, my name is Norma with Momis Personalized Gifts and DIYs. In this channel, you will be learning how to make and create personalized items for all occasions. You can give them away or you can use them to start your own business. You will learn how to turn a hobby into a business. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video with Mommy's DIYs. Today I'm gonna show you how I make a recipe that I use to minimize dark spots if you have any spots after you had a baby or due to age. It doesn't completely clear the skin, but it definitely does minimize the spots on your face, under your armpits, your neck. So it's a really nice recipe to have, and it's very inexpensive if you make it at home. So make sure that you watch the video all the way to the end, because as I combine the ingredients, I'm gonna go ahead and put above here, I'm gonna put all the properties of each ingredient. So let's not wait any longer and let's get to it. So the first ingredient that we're going to use is the juice of a lemon, and it's you want half a teaspoon of the juice of the lemon. Next, the next ingredient is going to be a half a teaspoon of rose water. And I'm also, you guys, on the description box, I'm going to go ahead and add all the ingredients, the links of the ingredients. If you want to go ahead and order them, that'd be great. The next ingredient, we're going to use a teaspoon of the vitamin E, and you can either get the vitamin E in a liquid form, or you can buy the capsules and just you know, pinch the capsule and extract the oil from there. Okay, so my next ingredient is going to be 1 tablespoon of glycerin. And this is it. So here we go. Here we go. And then our next ingredient is going to be 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. You can either buy a plant or get the aloe vera from the store. The one that I got, it's aloe vera 99%. So that's because all my aloe vera, I already used it all. I need to let it grow again. So here's my aloe vera. And finally, I have talked in other videos about this. We're gonna use this CBD that you can get it from me at my website, Momis. I'm gonna put the link, the name of my website, and also in the description box. This is a CBD oil, and it's 1,000 milligrams for 15 milliliters. What I like about this product is that it's FDA registered. What means when they said FDA registered, it means that if I have here that it has 1,000 milligrams, it is exactly what it has, 1,000 milligrams. Okay, they have found a lot of different CBD oils that people, the manufacturer claims that is 250 milligrams, and when they test it, it has 5 milligrams. Okay, so you have to be careful and buy stuff that is already FDA registered. It's not approved because the FDA is not approving CBD yet, okay? And it's also organic. That's another thing. And the FDA registered it as organic and as a pure 1,000 milligrams in this bottle. If you're interested, this bottle is $49.99. But if you guys want to get the membership, you can get about 5 of these for $120. Okay, yeah, you can contact me through my website or send me an email. I'm gonna put the name of my email address here if you guys are interested. So the CBD oil, we're gonna use 10 drops, and I have it here already. And we wanna go ahead and extract all of it because CBD is not cheap. Okay. And also, if you guys are enjoying the content of my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share it. Especially the CBD products. I mean, they're getting very popular, and they're healing so many people without taking so much medication. That is incredible, really incredible. So this is how the solution looks. Okay, it's in a almost a watery form. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. I've been applying it for about 2 months, and it's clearing part of my my spots look lighter. I wanted to show you how I use it. I apply it with the cotton every day, like when I'm not gonna go to outside anymore. And if you can tell, these were really dark right in here, and they're getting lighter. Okay, like 2 times a week I get my my little cotton wet, and then I have this jar with baking soda, so I grab some of the baking soda, and that's only depending on how sensitive your skin is. You can do it 1 or 2 times a week, so you're going to decide that. Another thing, you're not going to go in here, and you're not going to go too close to here or your eyes, otherwise it's going to irritate. Okay, so basically what I do is I apply it, rubbing on it, and I skip these areas and I skip these areas. So I massage that basically like before I get in the shower. I go all over my nose, remember, not the eyes, and I go ahead and it feels a little rough, so it's all up to you, like how often you want to apply it like that. Okay, so I'm not going to go out anymore. I'm going to take a shower, and then I'm just going to apply my night cream and my all my other products that I use on a regular basis. So that's basically it. I hope this helps, and talk to you soon.